Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. I was looking for a way to charge my devices neatly and efficiently, and this USB wall charger was our solution. I love the convenience and being able to consolidate our charging cords into a single unit. It's high quality and it charges and powers the items with no problem. I use it to charge my phone and iPad, and it creates an organizing charging station. It's also a great solution when you're traveling because a lot of places don't have many plugs, and we are always traveling with so many electronics. We have these USB wall chargers scattered throughout our house, and they've worked so well and kept us so organized and kept our devices charged so nicely. And that's my point of view.